Hey, I'm about to demo this little cleaning kit for you. We're gonna go through everything on it. Now, the brand did send this to me. Let me show you everything you need to know. So here's the kit. Everything is self-contained. What I like about it is this brush. All you have to do is push this forward. Look at how baby soft that is. So to really get in and clean your keyboard out, they give you this key puller. All you're gonna do is slide this down, snaps around the keys, and then you lift the key off. Now you can go ahead and pull all your keys off, or if you just want to do a certain area, you can do that as well. Now you could even take some air and blow that out if you wanted to. When you're done, just pop the keys back on. Here is the flocking sponge. This is used to clean out areas like this, inside of your little earbud cases, etc., mainly for getting down in here. Here is the metal pen tip. This is going to be great for getting debris out of any like little holes area, like say like in an earphone. And you can see this is going to be great for getting down into these areas, pulling out any debris, etc. Okay, the little handheld thin brush is going to be great as well for getting down into these areas. This is so ultra soft. So we can get in there, get down in there. It's going to be great for just doing any kind of general cleaning and dusting. They're going to give you this lens cleaning device. This is fantastic. Look at, you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see kind of how dirty and scratched up my lens is. That is what this is for. Go ahead and clean those lenses off. And you don't want to scratch your lenses. You want to clean them. This is perfect for that. Look at that. So definitely cleans the lenses up real good. On the back is a polishing cloth. This is Velcroed on there. They are going to give you, they do give you a couple extra in the pack with this, but these are held on via Velcro. In addition to that, look, they're going to give you a little bit of this cleaning spray. Get a light coating on there, and we're going to go ahead and polish this up and clean it because it's really dirty. They're giving you 4 refills on the lens cleaning tip, and they're going to give you 1 extra polishing cloth. Holy moly, look at all the dirt. That's crazy. Nice clean screen. Okay, so in just a couple minutes, we got the screen. We were able to kind of get this keyboard cleaned out. Now that wasn't like a real deep clean, but just for maintenance, you know, a couple minutes just to maintain it, get all that dust and debris off there, clean up the screen, works really good. Throw this in your travel bag. It takes up virtually no space at all. So they did a fantastic job with this one. I really like it. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.